Hey guys, this is Raghuveer. This is gonna be my first hiking vlog. Today we're here on Skyline Drive in Shenandoah National Park in Virginia. We'll be doing the Buck Hollow and Buck Ridge Trail Loop. This is about 5.6 miles with an elevation change of 1740 feet. Trail is rated hard on all trails. I think what makes this trail especially hard is the fact that it's very rocky and steep in some places, just because you'll be going up 1700 feet in about 2.5 miles. We'll be doing the trail counterclockwise, and we should be done in about 2.5 hours or so and be back at the beginning of the loop. It should be a nice trail. It's very cloudy. The weather is about 50 degrees, which is almost like the perfect hiking temperature. So it should be a very comfortable hike today. Fellow hikers on the side over there. So let's get this trail started and see how it goes. I kind of did this trail a little bit before, but not this full trail. So for the most part, this is my first time as well. Let's go. So before we start on the trail, I'll show you my backpack and what other little essentials I have. Here's my little orange backpack. The little beanie first. Little snacks over for the trail. I don't usually carry too much water, but I have this. I used to refill this when I run out. So that's pretty much all the water I have for about 6 miles. That should be more than enough. So this is the beginning. As you can see, it says Hazel Mountain Road. If you go straight this way, you'll actually get the Hazel Waterfalls, or Hazel Mountain Waterfalls. And if you go this way, get to Buck Hollow. Just past the people behind me. That was a little fun run downhill. What's always really good about these hikes is that the people you meet, they're always very nice and always greeting you nicely. Even though this looks like this trail might not have too many great views, it's always nice walking next to a stream of water. Just feels a little extra nice. Looks like there's actually a little bigger waterfalls right here. Doesn't look like there's a path to go there, but we definitely gotta check that out. Seems too steep to go down there. Maybe from over here? And climb our way till there. Oh, look at that. That is much nicer. Get a little closer to the falls. Just similar to the other one where there was a ton of moss right around here. That moss definitely makes it look much nicer with the extra green. Let's go up there. You gotta watch out. It is definitely slippery. So came back onto the trail from the waterfalls over there. So I wasn't expecting this. This is a pleasant surprise. I didn't expect to see any waterfalls, even though they were tiny. But let's see what else this trail has to offer. And if you're wondering why my hair looks a little wet and swept back, it's because every time I see those little waterfalls or streams and I'm doing trails, I always tend to put some water on my head. And since I do that, I might as well start it a little bit, right? So up ahead, you can see the trail going uphill. It looks like it's a whole bunch of stairs going all the way up. Looks definitely a very steep incline, as you can tell. And you had to cross jump over this little log over here too. And just got some spider web across my face. As you can tell, it's getting pretty steep up here. So about 27% grade uphill. It's like the ultimate stairmaster right here. I don't need to go to the gym and do a thing there. Let's come here and do it. Much more natural, exciting, and more dynamic, I guess. Best part, it's free. Besides the long drive and the scenery, can't be beat at a gym. Definitely feeling my legs. I guess this is why it's very hard on all trails. The steps are no joke for sure. But the scenery as you're climbing looks incredible here. So let's continue to keep going. So we finally got to a more flat area, and it seemed like 32% incline over there, about 440 feet and about 0.3 miles, which is what made it extra hard. But over here, it seems much more tame, a more gradual incline. It looks like we're coming up on a scenic view up here. Or scenic view as good as it gets on this trail probably. Might be a good idea to take a break and eat the snacks I brought from the car. It's a very nice view from here, but one good thing about winter hikes is that because there's no leaves anywhere, you can see right through the branches of the trees, so you can see more of the view. But that's also a bad thing since it's less green. Everything just looks the same pretty much. But this cloudiness definitely helps, adds a little saturation to everything, I guess. always thought that it'd be fun to have an axe, and then there's a tree falling over like this, or like this. It'd be fun to, you know, chop the tree down to clear the path. I mean, not chop the tree down, but like chop the part of the tree that's fallen onto the trail, clear that up, and then just walk off. When a trail has shrubs or plants surrounding it, just like this, I think all this looks really nice. Looks like here we have the connection to the Hazel Falls Trail on the left up here, and then if we keep going straight, we get back to Skyline Drive. I think from here, I think it's only about 0.6 miles or so. So here we are at the end of the trail, the Buck Hollow Trail, and officially the Buck Hollow and Buck Ridge Trail Loop. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it, and I'll definitely put up more videos in the future, so subscribe. If you ever go hiking, have fun, and until next time, this is Raghuveer